Hello friends, in today's time, earning money is important, but managing that money is even more important. Many people earn well, but still face problems like tax notices, GST confusion, or they are unable to start a business because of lack of proper knowledge. If you are also facing such issues, then this video is very important for you. Finance is not just about money. Finance means planning, saving, managing taxes, and growing your wealth. If you do not plan your income properly, you may end up losing money without even realizing it. For example, you earn 5 lakh rupees, but if you do not plan your taxes properly, you may pay unnecessary extra tax. Also, if you start a business without proper registration, you may face legal issues in the future. That is why financial knowledge is important for everyone, whether you are a student, a working professional, or a business owner. In India, people commonly face problems like confusion in GST, fear of income tax filing, lack of knowledge about company registration, legal compliance issues, and the risk of receiving tax notices. The biggest mistake people make is following incorrect advice from random sources, which can lead to penalties and financial loss. This is where a powerful solution comes in, Mera Finance Wala. It is a trusted platform that helps individuals and entrepreneurs with finance, tax, and business-related services. Here, you can get services like company registration, GST registration and filing, income tax filing, trademark registration, and legal compliance support. The best part is that all these services are handled by professionals such as chartered accountants, company secretaries, and legal experts. The process is very simple. You just share your requirement, an expert reviews your case, and then they handle everything from start to finish. This means you do not have to worry about anything. Also, everything is completely online, so you can manage all your financial and business needs from the comfort of your home. Now let's understand how it helps you. First, it saves your time because you do not have to visit offices. Second, it reduces mistakes because experts handle your work. Third, it provides legal safety, ensuring your business stays compliant. Fourth, it offers transparent pricing with no hidden charges. And finally, it gives you complete support from registration to ongoing compliance. Imagine you want to start a business. You need to decide whether to choose a private limited company, LLP, or OPC. If you choose the wrong structure, it can create problems in the future. But with expert guidance, you can make the right decision and grow your business safely. So friends, if you want to simplify your financial life or start your business without stress, then you should definitely try Mera Finance Wala. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.